My name is Lino Zaccardi, manager at Asfalti Zaccardi, and I take care of customer relations. Our company focuses on the urban planning sector, and we build roads, parking lots and technological networks. In our work, we always strive to be up to date, and during our visit to the Samotor Fair in Verona last year, dedicated to our sector, we learned of the capacities of the Simex PL 2000 cold planer, and we decided to add it to our fleet alongside the Simex PL 1000 planer, already in our possession, both purchased from General Tractor Italia in L'Aquila. I'm Dario Zaccardi, Technical Manager of Asfalti Zaccardi, and I'm in charge of organisation and logistics at our construction sites. Today we are in the town of Spoltore near Pescara, Italy, where we are working on the urban renewal of a neighbourhood. We were commissioned to scarify the existing pavement and lay the new conglomerate. For this project, we're using our Simex PL 1000 and PL 2000 cold planers in order to be more productive and optimise work. In fact, with the latest addition by Simex, the PL 2000, we are able to mill a 3 cm thickness by 2 meters in width in a single application, while 22 quintals in weight ensure stability and precision. The water tank, which is integrated in the planer side shift, has a capacity of 160 litres for dust abatement and allows us to achieve a complete production cycle of 400 square metres. Furthermore, in a production cycle, thanks to its 2 metre width, we can mill an area of 10 square metres in just 1 minute, and we have also found that the consumption of the operating machine remains the same as when we use the smaller PL 1000. With a new side slide, with hoses in it that do not protrude, we can easily perform milling operations flush with and along the edge of the curb. Ultimately, we appreciate the maximum depth available of 13 centimetres that we're using at our construction site to restore all damaged areas. We are confident that having invested in this Simex cold plane will enable our company to achieve industry-leading levels in the field of road paving, so that Asfalti Zaccardi can become a key player in our area.
Música